Are you still manually copying and pasting data for your outreach campaigns? Still writing meeting notes in Diary? Or still using buggy scraping tools to generate leads? What if there was a tool to automate your repetitive tasks? You're in luck because today we'll be reviewing Bardeen, voted Product of the Month on Product Hunt, and rightfully so. Pretty useful tool to save you hours of work each day. It has several integrations and playbooks that'll help you connect your apps and minimize several repetitive tasks. It has use cases in sales, prospecting, recruiting, data research, meetings, marketing, product development, personal development, and more. Let's just dive into our favorite and super simple use cases that you can try yourself. First of all, you'll need to download its Chrome extension. Pretty standard stuff. No rocket science. This video will be about LinkedIn scraper automation. So first is LinkedIn data scraping. For example, we want data of all HR managers on LinkedIn. Search for HR managers on LinkedIn. Open the Bardeen Chrome extension and just select New Scraper Template. Then select the page link and options on how you want your output. Now you just have to select similar elements so that the tool understands which data you want. Select the pagination type, and then keep adding elements and columns of all the data you want. Once done, save the template and click on Done. Now you can run it, and you will have a CSV file with all the data in seconds. Pretty simple, isn't it?